Hi, it's Doodle here and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing I think it's a Roomba Robo vacuum. I just wanted to make a few comments about it because I've used a lot of vacuum cleaners in my job, and I just thought I've had the Shark and the Dyson and Henry, and I wasn't sure about the Robo vacuum cleaners because I wasn't sure how they work and whether they did a good job or not. So I thought I'd just sort of test this one out to see how well it picked up. And I mean, it's not on carpet, it's on a hard floor, and I was just wondering how it picked up and how it worked. It's not actually my house, it's a family member's house, but I thought I'd use their vacuum to see how well it performed and everything, because as I say, I've used a lot of vacuums but never the Robo vacuum, and I must say that I was quite impressed with how powerful it was, considering it didn't have a lead or anything, and how well personally I felt it picked up crumbs and bits off the floor, hair, stuff like that, and it sort of it goes into the corners and sort of as much as it can, and I found it was quite good at getting out of situations. If it went on into more of a carpet situation or a rug, then it seemed to have the power to sort of move off the rug, and it goes under furniture and things like that, and when you press a certain button on the top, it goes back to its power station, which I thought was really, really clever. So yeah, I was quite impressed with this tiny little vacuum, and it's got a little canister inside which you can empty on a regular basis, and I just thought it was just a great little sort of vacuum cleaner. So yeah, I could play some footage of it going around, and as you can see, it's going under the sofa. It just made me laugh because it can get right in the small gaps, so I thought that was really good. And as you can see, it's going right under to clean under. I mean, if you've got minimal furniture, then it's ideal, because then it's not just going to keep getting stuck, and I feel it would work probably best on hard flooring. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city on the road with a couple of tunes and a coffee too.